So today we're gonna go for a fresh look. And the steps that are involved in this start with our canvas of our face. So making our skin look really great. You're always going to press when you put on any eyeshadow. Don't swipe or brush back and forth. It just moves it. Paring down eyeshadow brushes is very difficult. Slightly like getting rid of friends. The stronger that the light is, takes away the intensity of your makeup. And I think that this look would be great for any gig that you have or an audition.